Today, we're going to explain the health benefits of hazelnuts and how you can make the most of them. So, let's get started. They are a nutritional powerhouse. Hazelnuts are important in our diet because of their nutritional value. 100 grams of hazelnuts provide around 600 calories. They reduce the risk of contracting some diseases. Hazelnuts help lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. They also combat negative effects of aging due to their vitamins and minerals with antioxidant properties. They protect the cardiovascular system. Hazelnuts reduce LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, also known as good cholesterol. They stimulate the digestive process. Hazelnuts help stimulate digestion due to their high fiber content. They prevent cognitive deterioration. These nuts can prevent cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease because they possess high content of a type of vitamin E. They keep blood vessels in good condition. Hazelnuts maintain the elasticity and health of blood vessels due to the antioxidant action of vitamin E and phytosterols. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Which of the following nutrients is abundant in hazelnuts and contributes to heart health? Iron, vitamin C, folic acid, monounsaturated fats. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Are you enjoying this video? Remember that you can help the channel grow with a super thanks. How to eat hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are versatile and delicious. Here are some ways to enjoy them daily. Toast and season hazelnuts for a tasty, energy-boosting snack. Add toasted, chopped hazelnuts to salads for a crunchy touch. They pair well with leafy greens or fruit salads. Use hazelnuts in brownies, cookies, cakes, or as a cream. Incorporate hazelnuts into grilled chicken or fish dishes. You can also add them to trail mixes for cheese and wine pairings. You can also use hazelnut butter, a delicious alternative to peanut butter that is perfect for sandwiches, smoothies, or as a dip for fruits and vegetables. Finally, you can add chopped hazelnuts to cereal, oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutritious start to your day. Contraindications. Hazelnuts can trigger allergic reactions, so avoid them if you're allergic. They are high in calories and fat, so eat them in moderation to avoid weight gain. Check appropriate portions if dieting. People with digestive issues should limit intake due to their high fiber content, as excessive consumption can cause colic or gas. Always consult a doctor or a nutritionist before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have medical conditions or food allergies. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, the correct answer is B. Hazelnuts are rich in monounsaturated fats. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.